Hey guys, hey buds, what's up? What's happening? I wanted to make a really quick video today just talking about how to make friends outside of college, how to make friends as an adult. I know so many people have asked me this question. I moved to Chicago in November, which has now been 10 months. That's crazy. And when I moved here, I didn't know anyone. I had never visited. I just didn't know anything. I never seen my apartment, so it was crazy. How I've made friends so far is been a couple of different ways. It's important though that when you're looking for friends, you're not just settling for quantity, like you need quality friends. And I feel like my first mistake was just going for quantity. Number one is just through mutual friends. You meet one friend and then you meet his friend's friends or her friend's friends. How I met my very first friend was I wasn't afraid to post on Instagram. I was like, hey, I'm going to Chicago. If you're in Chicago, hit me up. If you know anyone who's in Chicago, also let me know. And so a couple of my followers actually put me in contact with people that they know who are here. And so people who I would most likely get along with, I would vet them by looking at their Instagram profile. We would go on a friendship date and then I would see if it was a match. And if it's not a match, there's no reason to keep forcing it. The second one that is actually a match is an app. So you have to actually match, and it's called Bumble BFF. And it's really cool because you can match girls and go on friendship dates and become friends. So one of my really good friends, her name is Zainab. I met her on Bumble BFF. If I never met her on Bumble BFF, I don't know how I would have met her otherwise. Another way which you can meet people, or how you can meet people, is through events. So I go to different events. I went to this Blackouts party and I went with one of my friends, so it's nice to have that comfort blanket. I also saw someone who looked like they would be fun and I spoke to them and we became friends like that. At church, I saw a girl sitting in front of me who said she lived in the same neighborhood as me and she was saying it to someone else in front of her. So after church, I went up to her. I was like, hi, I heard you said you live in blah 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 area and I live in this area. We started chatting and then I offered to give her a ride home. So acts of kindness to total strangers is also a really good way to make friends. What else? Random hangout spots like yoga classes. I also have a rooftop, so if you have a communal space in your building, a lobby, a rooftop, a gym, you can bump into people there. If you have questions how do you use this machine, how do you do this, and then that's how you meet people. But those are just my really good short tips on how to meet people if you move to a new city. I don't know how to meet guys yet. I will say that, but I will let you guys know how to meet quality guys that you'd be romantically interested in. Yeah, love you guys.